What's up, vlog? Yeah, so a little different today. If you saw my Instagram story this week, if you're following me there, we broke down on, what day was it, Thursday? Last leg of the day. So we got fixed this morning, and now we are driving down to Salt Lake in the rental car to pick up the airplane and fly back to Logan. That's the day today. So we're gonna give it a real good pre-flight. Anytime it comes out of maintenance or been sitting in someone else's barn for a few days, always got to double, triple check everything. Alright, first things first, we'll check the fuel. We got 3350, it's perfect. Turn the battery on, set the parking brake. Circuit breakers are all in, everything looks normal here. So we'll go outside into the exterior and Chad will probably fire up the APU, get the generator going, make sure everything's good, and we'll be out of here just like that. that's it for the day. So I'm thinking of doing a weekly summary, a weekly recap vlog. If I did it every day like this, they kind of be short. There's not much of a story to tell, but when you look at a whole week, there's definitely a lot more. And we've done a lot of flying the last couple weeks, so I got a lot of stuff to edit and put together. So you can expect that. This, I think, is it for this week for me today. So we'll get this posted, and next week you can expect kind of going forward. We're just going to do weeks in the life instead of day in the life. I'm trying to keep it interesting. Don't give up on your flight training. This will all pass. This will rebound. And if you keep training and you be prepared and you get the experience that you can now, when the time comes, you'll be ready. That's my advice. So we'll see you guys next week for the weekly vlog.